The mean of a discrete probability distribution, also referred to as the expected value, is a typical value used to represent the central location of a probability distribution. For discrete probability distributions, the mean is computed by multiplying the value of all the random numbers in the distribution by their respective probabilities, and then adding up all these products. So we show how this formula is used in the following slide. We're going to look at an example on this slide to demonstrate how to compute certain statistics for a probability distribution. John Ragsdale sells new cars for Pelican Ford. John usually sells the largest number of cars on a Saturday. He has developed the following probability distribution for the number of cars he expects to sell on a particular Saturday, as shown in the table. The random variable denoted as X is the number of cars sold by John on a typical Saturday. The respective probabilities of X are represented as P of X. Given the probability distribution table, we will compute the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation of the number of cars sold by John on a typical Saturday. So now we are going to use the equation from the previous slide to calculate the mean of a probability distribution. So in this instance, the mean is the expected number of cars John will sell on a particular Saturday, and it's computed by adding up the products of the random numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and their respective probabilities of 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.3, and 0.1. John could expect to sell 2.1 cars on a particular Saturday.